using cross products is going to be very similar to what we've already done. For example, here is one that you may have seen today. For today, I mean. 4 over a is equal to 24 over 30. Here we have options. You go through your progressions. You say, 1, is there a relationship? Yeah, you know what? There is. 4 times 6 is 24. What times 6 is 30? 5. So 5 would work, okay? That's done. If you find the relationship with step 1, you don't have to go to step 2. If you would have gone to step 2, you would say, oh, you know what? They both have 6 in common. 4 over 5 is equal to 4 over 5, or 4 to 5 is the same as 4 to 5. So you're going to use those same skills for today. What's going to be slightly different is this. 3 over x is going to equal 2 over x minus 6. Okay? Now, the issue here is that, well, for today we solved when there was just like 1x. There wasn't x's or a variable in multiple places like there is right now. Okay? But we also said yesterday we use what to solve these? Cross products. I know that when I multiply diagonally, what is 2 times x? 2x is going to be equal to the product there. Now, watch carefully. How am I going to multiply a 3 times an x minus 6? I'm going to use everyone's favorite property, which is I'm going to put the 3 on the outside and the x minus 6 there. Sometimes we have to simplify before we simplify. What is 3 times x? 3x. What is a 3 times a negative 6? Negative 18. 3 times 6, right? Okay. Now, here it's up to you. I think that we don't really need to worry too much about the bigger one, the smaller one. We're going to take this as a case sensitive. I have a 3x here with a negative 18. Let's just move the 3x. So subtract 3x from both sides. Go on there. What is a 2x minus a 3x? Negative x. Here's my negative 18. Am I done? Can I have a negative x? Can I have a negative x? Can I have a negative x? Divide both sides by what? What's in front of that x that I can't have there? Right? Isn't there a negative 1 there? So negative divided by negative is a positive x. Negative divided by negative is a positive 18. Okay? You try one. M over 5 is equal to a m minus 6 over 4. Let's help you find your way. So, Kate, you could be my helper. Diagonally, how am I going to multiply 5 times an m minus 6? Okay, so let's set it up. Set everything up first. And then here, a 4 times m. 4m. Right? Now let's work with the distributive property 5m minus what? 30. Equals to 4m. Right? So let's go ahead. You want to move that 30? Let's move the 30. Doesn't matter. Really, it won't matter. Whatever we decide we're going to do, it'll work if we do it right. That's the great thing. You can do it with confidence knowing that. Do those two leave at the same time? Hey, Caleb Key. Let's get rid of this negative 30 how? You both, I don't care, you both can't be out of the room at the same time. Add it, right? So now 5m. Let's get rid of the 4m by doing what? Subtract it from both sides. 5m minus 4m, 1m, which is m, equals 30. How do you know this works, Mark? What does 30 over 5 equal to? 6. 30 minus 6 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6 equals 6. That's why it works. Did you get 30? Did you do it the same way I did? You must have done it right. That's okay. That's why all this shifting and moving and try it. Due to time constraints, we're going to get this rolling. So let's do this one first. 6 and d plus 13. It's going to be equal to an 18 and a d minus 13. So I have two sets of distributed properties to work through. 6d, what is 6 plus 13? Or 6 times 13, excuse me. Yeah. 78. 18d, what is 18 times 13? 24, 54, drop the 0, 8, 1, 4, 234? What kind of 234? Negative, right? Okay. So, any strategies, any way you want to tackle this? I mean, any way we go is going to be fine. Marlia? All right, so you were left with a 78 here, and 6d from 18 is... All right. Then what? And you got 12, 11, 312 equals 12d? And then what? Divide by 12, and 312 divided by 12, that's twice, 24, 12 into 72, 6. D is 26. Murphy, how about you? Got it. But it wasn't enough to make you run away screaming. Right? I mean, you worked through it. You know you did something wrong. And so you know you were close. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you something to work on for tomorrow, page 171. Seven through 12.